I'm on a mission to rid the world of bad sales behaviors. The truth is, sales isn't about selling. It's about embracing a mindset shift from always be closing to always be curious.
When we think that we have to be selling, we behave in ways that are not attractive to other people.
You have to be growing your relationship with your client. Because if you don't, what happens? They might go away.
We always have to be creating. Sometimes it's innovating with our marketing and our sales. Sometimes it's innovating with our products and our services. But the way that we keep our businesses successful and growing is we're innovating.
The way you avoid getting bad business is by paying attention to who you're talking to, what they're telling you, and what they're not telling you. Because folks, listen, when you go to an event looking for customers, you're a salesperson. You're thinking, what is it out there? Who is it that I can snatch, sell my product or service to? Seriously? Let me ask you a question. By a show of hands, who enjoys that? Yeah, I didn't think so. My belief system is that everything you do up until the meeting is prospecting and relationship building. And that what you are seeking is the meeting, not the sale. You want to have a good enough relationship with your clients that they love you. And the way that they love you is that they know you love them. And you're in their corner and you care about them first.
People who provide content and provide education build their network in a really big way because they become the person that other people are going to and other people are telling them about.
I'm Diane Helbig, the No Selling Sales Expert. Let's talk about how I can help your attendees close more deals by embracing a better, more effective sales mindset.